So you guys, our goals today are to continue taking out this ceanothus hedge. We got started on it. This was a big section right here and also over there.
Yep, you can see we got into a little bit of it here this morning. This was yesterday over here, and you couldn't even see this side of the house. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Thursday to you, and it is
Day 150
of the Quarantine Gardeners. We cannot believe 150 daily episodes.
Wow.
So that's pretty exciting.
Yeah, it's crazy, you guys. If you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden and now in other people's gardens while under quarantine.
And thank you for watching and being here with us today, you guys. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, which thank you if you have. And that way you won't miss all the daily videos we post.
If you want to know a little bit more about us, you can always go to spokengarden.com/about. So guys, today we're in day 3 of our renovation out here in Ocean Shores, Washington, and we're making some really good progress. We did a lot of different pruning cuts and clearing yesterday, and we're getting into the hedge, and we've made some good progress on that too. So guys, today we're going to give you an update about where we're at in the project and what our goals are for today, and then we're going to do a time lapse and you get to see us knock out some work.
Yeah, we're gonna do a different section of the yard that you may have seen a little bit of already if you've been following along. Again, this is day 3, and we're gonna do kind of a before and after of this side kind of their house. So we can't wait to show you what that looks like.
Well guys, here's our 20-yard dumpster, and it's kind of almost full. We got a little bit more work to go, so we've been jumping up in there and trying to get it knocked down.
Yeah, we had no idea we would fill this up this fast. This was from the first 2 days basically, and a little bit from this morning. So Sean had to get up there a couple times and kind of jump on it and get it down, so that worked.
It's like bouncy house time in a dumpster.
So we'll be doing that a few more times today.
Oh yeah.
Because we'll show you what we mean. We have a lot more work to do.
We do. So guys, oh, here we go. We're walking back through in our, oh hey, look at that. Can you guys see that? You guys see the deer? Look at him. Yep, he's on the other side of that fence, and he's just having a morning snack.
I think that's a female, honey. We saw a male deer a little while ago, and we figured there were more. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, is he coming? Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, the deer
How you doing, buddy?
If you're familiar with Ocean Shores, there are deer roaming the streets. They have a sanctuary here, and they cannot be touched, which is really nice. So you have to be very careful when you're driving because they can jump out of the brush, but it's pretty fun to watch.
These guys are awesome. They're really tame. They just kind of mosey around, just eat and relax some more.
Yeah, they're kind of living their best life out here in Ocean Shores, that's for sure.
This wasn't as clear yesterday as it is today. So we got into the dogwood, we did some work there. We also kind of cleared the fence line. Oh, hey, there's deer. Kind of cleared the fence line, pruned up this tree. Look at that. I mean, that thing, you couldn't even see through that. Now you can see right out to the street.
I know, I was so excited to see that happen because it's amazing.
We're really happy with that.
It's a huge transformation.
And then yesterday you couldn't see these propane tanks that they have here. This was covered by the tree on the other side of the fence. So we're just rock and rolling here. Same with that arbor right there and the Japanese maple. You could barely see it. You could barely see the arbor and over to the hot tub. So now, I mean, you can really see straight through. We got a little bit of work right there with that tree coming over the fence line, but that's no big deal.
So you guys, our goals today are to continue taking out this ceanothus hedge. We got started on it. This was a big section right here and also over there.
Yep, you can see we got into a little bit of it here this morning. This was yesterday over here, and you couldn't even see this side of the house. You could see the door. That was okay, that was perfectly accessible, but you couldn't see this side of the house or getting close to the crawl space. Now you can. So we got to dig these crowns of these ceanothus out, or they are going to resprout, unlike the mugo pines we already did. But we'll get those out, shouldn't be too hard, and we'll keep going here. We're going to get that hedge out there, continue with that. Then we're going to continue right down the line here, and we're going to take this whole thing out. And we're gonna get this rhodie kind of pruned up a little bit. And then there's 2 cedar trees here, and we need to limb these up so you can see straight out from here out to the water out there. There's a little canal out here and some water off this house. So we're gonna clear this out so you can see straight out there. It's gonna be beautiful. So you saw us get to work, you saw some of the work getting done. Yep, so we just got a little bit more to go for the day. Actually, a lot more to go for the day. We'll give you an update tomorrow on day 4 of our landscape renovation.
And also, you guys follow along on Instagram. We're posting stories and updates, so we're talking about kind of some behind the scenes and different things going on here.
So guys, leave us your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you guys. Hit that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today. Again, we're still working, so we'll be back tomorrow with the rest of the project.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.